The Lost Cat. Once upon a time, there was a little cat named Tom. Tom lived in a small house with his owner, a kind woman named Sarah. One day, Sarah left the door open, and Tom ran outside to play. Tom loved running in the garden. He chased butterflies and jumped over small rocks. But soon he found himself far away from home. The garden was big and Tom did not know how to get back. Tom was scared. He looked around and called, "Meow, meow," but no one answered. He missed Sarah and wanted to go home. As Tom walked through the streets, he saw many people, but no one could help him. He walked and walked until he found a friendly dog. The dog said, "Don't worry, little cat. I know where your home is. Follow me." Tom followed the dog down the road. They crossed the street, passed the park, and finally they arrived at Sarah's house. Sarah was waiting for Tom outside. She smiled and said, "There you are. I was looking for you everywhere." Tom was happy to be home. He thanked the dog and went inside with Sarah. From that day, Tom always made sure to stay close to home.